Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm thrilled today to welcome you to our latest project, showcasing a stunning home that embodies functionality, modern design and elegance. Today we are going to take a deeper look to understand the key features that make this home truly exceptional. But before that, I would like to let Jhalak talk about how her experience has been designing this home.
So hi, my experience has been really wonderful. The first time I met the clients, they were very clear with the thoughts regarding the requirements and choices. So that in a way helped me design a home that they would love to be in. So yes, the experience has been awesome.
One of the standout features is the curved arches that is actually showcasing the architectural elegance and adding fluidity to the interiors. This home has been designed with oak and white theme, creating timeless and sophisticated ambience. Some of the key features of this home is the passage area that is highlighted with the serene Buddha statue, also captivating as a focal point that welcomes you to the home.
The client needed a lot of storage in their master bedroom, and catering to it while keeping it visually light was a key thing to achieve.
My favorite part of this house is the splendid TV unit for its grand curved look, a perfect blend of style and functionality.
And my favorite part is the breakfast counter, which adds a lot of warmth to the area.
What is yours? Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.
Thank you.